Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I am going to show you how to develop a forgot password add-on for signing process. First, let's see the output. I am in the sign in page. Now I am pressing the forgot password button. I am typing the email address and press the send code button. So now I am checking my email. This is the email that sent. I am copying the code, paste it in the input field. Press the verify button. Now I am going to type my new password and reset it. Okay, the process is complete. Now I am going to log in with my new password. So this is the output. I created a new table in database 2 and I connected it with user table using one-to-many relationship. Now let's see the code. Let's see the index PHP. First I create a model pop-up for the forget password feature. This model appears when the user clicks forget password on the sign in page. The model contains 3 steps to guide the user through the reset process. In step 1, the user enters their email address. When they click the send code button, it calls the JavaScript function forget password. This function sends the email to the server using Ajax. In step 2, the user enters the 6-digit verification code that was sent to their email. The input only accepts 6 digits. When the user clicks verify, it calls the function verify code. In step 3, the user enters a new password and confirms it. When they click reset password, it calls the reset password function. If everything is correct, the password is updated in the database. Now let's see the auth.js. First, I created a function called validate email which uses a regular expressions, prevents invalid emails from being sent to the server. Forgot password function. This function validates the email, creates form data, sends a post request to forgot password process.php. While waiting for the response, it shows a loading spinner. If successful, it moves from step 1 to step 2. Verify code. This function checks that the code is exactly 6 digits. Then it sends the email and code to reset password process.php with action set to verify. The server checks if the code exists, if the code is expired, if the code matches the hashed value. If successful, it moves to step 3, reset password function. This function checks if fields are empty, ensures password is at least 8 characters, checks if both passwords match. Then it sends the new password to the server with action reset. If successful, it closes the model and clears the fields. Now let's see the forgot password process PHP. This file handles sending the verification code. Step 1, validate email. First it checks if the email is valid. Step 2, check user exists. Then it checks if a user exists with that email in the database. Step 3, delete old tokens. It deletes any previous reset tokens to prevent multiple active codes. Step 4, generates secure code. It generates a secure 6-digit code using random int. Step 5, hash the code. The code is hashed using password hash before storing in the database. This improves security because the actual code is never stored in plain text. Step 6 is expiry time. Step 6, expiry time. The code expires in 10 minutes to prevent misses. Step 7, send email. Finally, the system sends the verification code to the user's email. Let's see the reset password process.php. When action is verified, the system gets the user by email, retries the latest token, checks if it is expired, checks user's password verify to compare the entered code with the hashed code. If everything is correct, it returns success. When action is reset, the system validates the new password, hashes the password, updates the database, deletes all reset tokens for that user. This ensures the reset code cannot be reused. Some important security features implemented: password hashing, token hashing, 10-minute expiry time, prepared SQL statements, deleting used tokens, front-end and back-end validation. In conclusion, I successfully developed a secure forget password add-on for the sign-in system. The system is user-friendly, secure, and prevents unauthorized access. It improves both security and user experience of the application. Thank you.